So, welcome back to Geek and Son, if I didn't say so. It has been a fiasco and a half to change the steering box. Here's the old one in a box. Taking it out was not that big of a deal, but you know, it's very tight between the engine stuff. I've got it all put back together. The header barely wouldn't fit. It was touching the steering box, and it always touched the starter, so that wasn't surprising. So it took me, you know, a day at least just to put the header back on, which was super annoying. And this kitty litter absorbent stuff is everywhere. I mean, I've been living in it. It's horrible. I'd almost rather be in the oil. It's that bad. But like I said, it's all back together. I put the newer shifter cable on. I've still got to do that. I've got to put some power steering fluid in it, and a bolt I noticed was missing out of the motor mounts. Gonna fix that, and then we'll take her for a spin. Or is it? But it's a badass car. So, going to put the power steering fluid in, and then I'll get dirty again, and get under it and do that other stuff I need to get done. I think that'll be good, and we're gonna pray that it doesn't leak. Because that's what all this was for. It started as like a drip, like a small drip. But then when I changed changed the O-rings, it leaked really bad. And it was like a smoke trail, and then it would all be gone within like, you know, an hour, all the power steering fluid. So I changed the O-rings several times, it didn't make any difference. So I bought a whole new steering box. I'm telling you, it was hard. It's very difficult to hold it above your head and bolt it in and get it in correctly and all this other stuff. So thanks for watching. I'll let you know when it's done.